Welcome to our ongoing weekly clip series, Wolff Bites.
Hi, I'm Lynette Wolff.
And I'm Brian Wolff.
We're the Wolff couple.
Hello. Understand luck. Now, what is luck, guys? Laboring under correct knowledge. Laboring under correct knowledge. So I want you guys thinking the right way and doing the right things. Mostly you guys have our system. I think all of you have our what to say and what to do. Does anybody in here not have our what to say and what to do system, the scripts and checklists? Okay.
One person. Come see me.
All right, so we'll talk to you guys. But most of you guys already are laboring under correct knowledge if you are reading those scripts and sticking to those scripts. See, now if you're going off on tangents and wandering far from the scripts, are you laboring under correct knowledge? No, you're probably imparting incorrect knowledge to people because you're saying the wrong things and you're wandering afield. So that's what I want you guys to do is labor under correct knowledge, stick to the scripts, and follow the checklists. You've got those 8 step-by-step checklists, one for each kind of deal. Those take you through the deals. Then you've got your Quick Start Daily Plan in the What to Do manual, and you can just go through that. Remember, that's 30 days. We call it our 30,000 in 30 days plan. That's asking for about an hour and a half a day. So if you guys have been following that, if you can legitimately look me in the eye and say, yeah, I've been putting in my 7 to 10 hours a week, and I've been following the Quick Start Daily Plan, and I've been developing leads and getting at least 20 leads a month. If you're doing that, and a lead is somebody with a house for sale, somebody who's trying to sell their house, okay, and you talk to them. So if you talk to 20 people a month with a house for sale, follow our scripts and checklists, I'm telling you, it's going to happen. So, and the more of it you can do, if you can talk to 40 people, it's going to happen more. Okay, now you need to develop some kind of a way to find 20 to 40 people with a house for sale to talk to. Marketing is a favorite thing that I like to talk about, and I'm going to talk a little bit about the yellow letters.
Wait, Brian, so glad you let me talk. Thank you. So here's the deal.
I'm going to have a heart palpitation or something.
We love it when you like a clip.
It's even better when you leave a comment.
And you can even share it with a friend.
Remember to subscribe to get notified of our awesome new videos.